Good morning, everyone. Welcome you again to online classes. Today, I'm going to take class 9, lines and angle. This portion I have already started, and we have done up to exercise number 6.1. Okay, so we'll today start 6.2. But before starting exercise, there's some theoretical parts are there. So look, in the previous class we learned different type of angle, means what is angle, what is the adjacent angle, what is the linear pair of angle, what is the vertically opposite angle, and etc etc. Now today we'll learn what is the parallel line. What do you mean by parallel line? So parallel line means, I think you know the definition. Two lines in a plane are said to be parallel line if they never meet. Means like that. If they never meet, so these two lines are said to be parallel line. And if two lines, this line are called parallel line. And if the line intersect each other at one point, then the line is called a intersecting line. Now what do you mean by transversal? Transversal means a line is said to be transversal if it intersects two or more line at a different point. Means suppose if I take two line, suppose P and Q, obviously the line are not parallel line. If we produce the line, they will surely intersect, and here this line are parallel line. So a line is said to be transversal if it intersect two line or more than two line. If I draw a line here, okay, so if it intersect two or more line at different point, then this line is said to be transversal. In case of parallel line, if I draw a transversal, suppose is, so it intersect the line at two different point, so this line is called transversal. Now by drawing this line, you can see that we have four angle. There are four angle generated, that is angle number 1, 2, 3, 4. Four angle here and four angle here, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we take any two line, they may be parallel line like that, or maybe non-parallel line. So in case of parallel line also there will be four angle, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if one transversal intersect two line, the line may be parallel or may not be parallel, so they will form 8 angles. Okay, now we'll discuss some special type of angle. So one is the vertically opposite angle. One is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Opposite angles. So what do you mean by vertically opposite angle? Vertical opposite angle means, suppose there are two intersecting line. So the pair of this opposite angle are said to be vertical opposite angle. Mean this angle and this angle are called vertically opposite angle. Similarly, this angle and this angle are also vertically opposite angle. And vertically opposite angles are always equal. Means if I write that this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, so angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D. Means vertically opposite angles are always equal. Next, okay, so look, whenever we draw one transversal which intersect two parallel line or non-parallel line, so therefore there will be 8 angles. I have given name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now out of this 8 angle, 4 angle, namely angle 2, angle 3, angle 5, and angle 8, they are lying inside these two angle, inside these two line Q and P. So this angle are called internal angle. These angles are called internal angles. And these four angles, angle 1, angle 4, angle 6 and angle 7 are lying outside the these two lines. So they are called exterior angle. They are called internal angle or interior angle. Internal angle or it's called interior angle. Interior angles between these two lines. Now we'll now discuss what is the corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. What is the corresponding angle? Corresponding angle is, suppose one interior angle 2 and the farthest exterior angle 6 are said to be corresponding angles. Means angle 2 and angle 6 are said to be corresponding angles. One interior angle and there are two exterior angles 1 and 6 on the same side of the transversal, but the not nearest, the farthest is called corresponding angle. So angle 2 is corresponding angle with angle 6. Similarly, angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angle, angle 1 and angle 5. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angle, and angle 8 and angle 8 are also corresponding angle. Angle 8 and angle 4 are also corresponding angles. So corresponding angles means one interior angle and the exterior angle not near to that angle on the same side of the transversal is called a corresponding angles. Okay, now we'll discuss what is the alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Okay, so two angles are said to be alternating interior angles, means angle like 2 and 8. Angle 2 and 8. They are two interior angle on the opposite side of the transversal. So these two angles are said to be alternate interior angles. Angle 2 and angle 8 alternate interior angle. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 5 are also alternate interior angle. So angle 2 is alternate interior angle with 8 and angle 3 is alternate interior angle with 5. Okay. Next is that co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. Co-interior angle means the interior angle on the same side of the transversal are called co-interior angle. Interior angle on the co-interior angles. Co-interior angles means the interior angle on the same side of the transversal. So this is on transversal and there are two interior angle, angle 3 and angle 8 on the same side of the transversal. So they are co-interior angle. And angle 2 and angle 5 lying on the same side of the transversal, so they are called co-interior angle. So angle 3 and angle 8 are co-interior angle and angle 2 and angle 5 is called co-interior angles. Okay, an alternative exterior angle. Alternative exterior angle means this angle and this angle are alternative exterior angle, means angle 7 and angle 1 are alternate exterior angle. Similarly, angle 6 and angle 4 are alternate exterior angle. Okay, they are different type of angles. Now, if here the lines are not parallel lines, this line and this line are not parallel line, But if the lines are parallel line, then what happened? Then all the interior angles are same. All the alternate angles are same, means angle 2 will be equal to angle 8, angle 3 will be equal to angle 5, means alternate interior angle are same. Similarly, alternate exterior angle are same, means angle 6 is equal to angle 4 and angle 7 will be equal to angle 1, means alternate interior angle are same, alternate exterior angle are same, and the corresponding angle are same. Corresponding angle means angle 2 and angle 6. So angle 2 is equal to angle 6. The corresponding angle are same. Angle 5 is equal to angle 1. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 8 is equal to angle 4. They are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are also same. Okay, now we'll solve some problem from your exercise. Okay, so let's solve some problem. Okay, so exercise number 6.2, question number 1. So first question is, in the figure 6.24, find the values of x and y and then show that AB parallel to CD. So the diagram is given here. There are two lines and one transversal. It is given that this angle is equal to 50 degree, this angle is equal to x, this angle is y, and this angle is equal to 130 degree, and the lines are AB line and CD line. Okay, so I'm giving a name of this line as xy, which intersect at the point, suppose P and Q point. So here we have to find the value of x and value of y, and hence we have to show that the line AB and the line CD are parallel. Okay, so now look, I told you that definition of vertical opposite angle means when two lines intersect each other, then this type of two angles are said to be vertical opposite angle, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now if we look this angle, means angle CQY and the angle PQD, this angle and this angle, so obviously they are vertically opposite angle, so they are equal. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles, and we know that the vertically opposite angles are equal. That means, okay, value of angle CQY is equal to 130 degree, which is equal to y. So value of y is equal to 130 degree. So this is equal to 130 degree. Now we'll calculate the value of x. Now look, I told you the definition of linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angle means two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair of angle if their non-common side lie on a line, or if one line is standing over another line. So this type of two angles are called linear pair of angle. Now here we can see that the line AP is standing over the line XY. So this angle and this angle are linear pair of angle, and we know that the sum of linear pair of angle is equal to 180 degree. So we can write also angle XPA plus angle APQ. XPA means this angle and APQ means this angle is equal to 180 degree. Why they are equal to 180 degree? Because they are linear pair of angle, pair of angles, because they are linear pair of angle. That means, okay, what is the value of APA, XPA, that is equal to 50 degree, plus angle APQ, value of APQ is equal to X, that is equal to 180 degree. That is mean X is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. So X is equal to 130 degree. So X is equal to 130 degree. So value of Y equal to 130 degree. Value of X is also 130 degree. Okay, now you tell me what type of angle there, this angle and this angle. Look, they are alternate interior angle, and alternate interior angle are same. So if alternate interior angle are same, then we can say that the lines are parallel to each other. Otherwise the lines are not parallel to each other. So since alternate interior angle are same, therefore we can say that the line AB is parallel to the line CD, and hence proved. We know that if the lines are parallel, then alternate interior angle are same. Conversely, if alternate interior angle are same, then the line are parallel line. Okay, so this is the first question. Now let's move to the second question. Now the question number 2 is, now question number 2, in the figure 6.29, if AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF, it is given that AB parallel to CD, this is AB, is parallel to CD, means these two lines are parallel, and CD is parallel to EF. That means the line AB, the line CD and the line EF are parallel to each other, and there is a one transversal. Okay, let the name of the transversal is XY. This angle is X, this angle is Y, and this angle is Z. We have to find the value of XY. We have to find the value of X where X is to Y is given, Y is to Z is given. Y is to Z is equal to 3:7. The value of these two angles, ratio of these two angles is given. We have to find the value of X. Now look, angle, okay, let this P, this is Q, and this point is R. So look, the APR means this angle and FRP means this angle are alternate interior angle, means angle APR is equal to angle PRF. Why? Because they are alternate interior angle. So we know that, and it is given that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. That means AB is parallel to EF. So there are two parallel line and one transversal. So alternate interior angles will be equal. That means angle APR will be equal to angle PRF. That means angle X will be equal to angle Z. Let this is an equation. Also look, these two equations, these two angles, this angle and this angle. So obviously they are co-interior angle, and we know that the sum of the co-interior angle is equal to 180. Means if there are two parallel line and one transversal, so sum of these two co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. That means angle APQ plus angle PQC is equal to 180. Why? Because they are co-interior angle. Okay, so what is the value of APQ? That is x plus y, that is equal to 180 degree. Now in place of x we can put z, because x equal to z we have already derived as equation number 3. So z plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now look, we have a given condition, y plus z, y is to z equal to 3 is to 7. Now from here we can take y as 3a and z as 7b. Y is to z equal to 3 is to 7. So we are choosing y equal to 3a and z equal to 7a. Now put y equal to 3a and z equal to 7a in here. So 7a plus 3a is equal to 180 degree. That is 7 plus 3 equal to 10a is equal to 180 degree. That is a equal to 18 degree. A equal to, so value of a equal to 18 degree. So value of z will be 18 into 7, 18 into 7. Okay, so that is multiply 126 degree. So value of x will be also equal to 126 degree. Okay, so the value of x equal to 126 degree. Got it? Okay, so let's solve the next question. Okay, I'm solving question number 4. Suppose question number 4. Question number 4. So question number 4, it is given that in the figure 6.31, if PQ is parallel to ST. Okay, so there is a diagram like that. There are two parallel lines. It is given that these two lines are parallel, and this is PQ is parallel to ST. This angle is equal to 110 degree and this angle is equal to 130 degree. We have to find the value of QRS. We have to find the value of QRS. What is the value of this angle? Now to find, to calculate value of this angle, actually we have to draw a construction. What is the construction? So through the point R, draw a line which is parallel to this line or this line. As PQ and ST are two parallel line, so you can draw a line R, suppose RX parallel to PQ. So draw a line RX parallel to PQ, and as PQ is parallel to ST, so we can say that RX is also parallel to ST. Okay, now we have to find this value. Okay, now look, look, the ST and RX are two parallel line and SR is the transversal, so sum of these two angle must be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are co-interior angle. So angle TSR, this angle plus this angle means SRX plus angle SRX is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are co-interior angle. That means 130 plus angle SRX is equal to 180. That is, angle SRX is equal to 180 minus 130. That means angle SRX is equal to 50 degree. So this angle is equal to 50 degree. Also look, PQ is parallel to XR and QR is the transversal. So this angle and this angle will be equal. Why? Because they are alternate interior angle. So that means angle PQR will be equal to angle QRX. Why? Because they are alternate interior angle. Because they are alternate interior angle. That means what is the value of angle PQR, which is given 110 degree, is equal to angle QRX. So this value is equal to 110 degree and this value is equal to 50 degree. So from the diagram we can say that this angle is equal to this angle minus this angle. That means from the diagram we can say that angle QRS is equal to angle QRX minus angle SRX, which is equal to 110 minus 50 degree. So that is equal to 60 degree. So this angle is equal to 60 degree and hence solve. Okay. Now question number, suppose 6. Question number 6. Look in physics there is a chapter called reflection, and there are 2 laws there of reflection. Okay, sorry, I am skipping question number 5. So first do question number 5 and then we'll do question number 6. Okay, question number 5 is, in the figure 3.2, AB is parallel to CD. So there are 2 parallel lines. One line is AB and one line is CD, and they are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. If angle APQ is equal to 50 degree, okay, so there is a point P, there is a point Q, angle APQ, this angle is equal to 50 degree, and there is a point R, joint PR, and this angle is equal to 127 degree. This angle is equal to X and this is Y. So we have to calculate the value of X and value of Y. What will the value of X and value of Y? Now look, it is given that AB is parallel to CD and PQ is a transversal. AB is parallel to CD and PQ is the transversal. So these 2 angles are called alternate interior angle, and as the line AB and CD are parallel, so alternate interior angles will be equal. So we can say that angle APQ is equal to angle PQR. Why? Because they are alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. That means what is the value of APQ? So value of APQ, it is given 50 degree, is equal to what is the value of angle PQR? So PQR is equal to X. That means value of X equal to 50 degree. So value of X equal to 50 degree. Okay, now we have to calculate the value of Y. Now look, we have a property of a triangle. What is that? Means suppose there is a triangle ABC. If you extend one side of a triangle up to a point D, then the exterior angle ACD will be equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle, means the sum of this angle and this angle, means that is equal to angle CAB plus angle ABC. So this angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. So we'll apply this property on that triangle. Look, PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle whose the side QR is produced to the point D. So this is the exterior angle. PRD is the exterior angle, which will be equal to sum of this angle and this angle, means angle RPQ and PQR. So this angle will be equal to this angle plus this angle. So we'll write that for the side QR of the triangle PQR is extended to the point D. Then the exterior angle PRD will be equal to sum of angle RPQ plus angle PQR. Which property? This called the exterior angle property. Angle property of a triangle. This is called the exterior angle property of a triangle. That means, what is the value of angle PRD? So value of PRD is given 127 degree is equal to value of RPQ. So value of RPQ is equal to y, and value of PQR is now known, it is 50 degree. That means y will be equal to 127 degree minus 50 degree. So that is equal to y equal to 127 minus 50, and that is equal to 7, and that is equal to 7. So it is 77 degree. So value of y equal to 77 degree. Okay, so value of y is equal to 77 degree. Complete. Okay, now the last question of this exercise, question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. In the figure 6.33, PQ and QR are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. So there are two mirrors. One mirror is PQ, and there's one another mirror, that is RS. The mirrors are parallel to each other. Mirrors are parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strike the mirror PQ at B. So one incident ray AB strike the mirror PQ at the point B. The reflection ray moves along the path BC. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strike the second mirror at the point C, and reflects back along CD. Reflects back along CD. Prove that the line AB and the line CD are parallel. We have to prove that this line and these lines are parallel line. Okay. Now look, from physics we know our rules. When on a plane surface, if a ray strike on it, then when it reflect, so this is incident ray and this is the reflection, so and this is the perpendicular normal to the plane. So we know that the ray of angle of incident and angle of reflection are equal. In this angle and this angle are equal. If this is 30 degree, so this angle will be equal to also 30 degree. If this is x degree, so this angle will be also x degree. This is a rule. Now we'll apply this same rule on here. Now what we have to do, from the point B we have to draw two normals. One is suppose BM and one is suppose CN to the plane PQ and to plane RS. So draw a BM perpendicular to a PQ and NC perpendicular to RS, means we're drawing two normals. And now from the law of reflection we know that this angle will be equal to this angle. Angle of incident and angle of reflection are equal. So let this angle is y, so this angle will also be equal to y. If we take this angle is x, so this angle will be also x. Okay, so we can say that angle ABM is equal to angle MBC is equal to x, C, and angle BCN is equal to angle NCD. Let this is y, say this is y, so this is x, and this is y and y. Now suppose there are two parallel line, and if I draw two perpendicular, one is first line and one is second line, so these two lines will be obviously parallel to each other. Now means look, BM is perpendicular PQ and CN is perpendicular to RS, and as PQ and RS are two parallel line, then we can say that BM is parallel to CN. These two lines will be parallel to each other, and as BM is parallel to CN, and look, BC is the transversal, so this angle and this angle will be equal. They are called alternate interior angle. That means the angle MBC will be equal to angle BCN. Why? Because they are alternate interior angle, and we know that in case of parallel lines the alternate interior angles are equal. That means what is the value of BMC? So value of MBC is equal to x is equal to BCN whose value is equal to y. So that is x is equal to y. Okay, now we start with the angle ABC. So what is the value of angle ABC? It is sum of this angle plus this angle, means 2x. That means 2 into y, because x and y are equal. That means angle ABC is equal to 2y. And what do you mean by 2y? This is y, this is y. So 2y means this angle BCD. So that is angle BCD. So this angle is now equal to this angle. But what type of angle they are? They are alternate angle. They are alternate angles. So all this angle and this angle are alternate angles and they are equal. So the line AB must be parallel to the line CD. So the line AB must be parallel to the line CD, and hence proved. So the line AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so look, we have discussed today the exercise number 6.2. So next day we'll discuss the next exercise, that is 6.3. Okay, thank you. For the no leader.